Right, how's it going, guys? I got another pack of Plasma Blast, yeah. Why do I sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger? I don't know. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Put you down there. Sorry. Snover, Houndour, Lapras, Sock, Kangaskhan, Rare Candy, you're worth a little money. Ultra Ball is also worth a little, that's kinda odd. Octillery as well. Well, not worth money, but, you know, just an ending card. And a reverse, hopefully. Oh, yes, that's really good. It's a reverse foil. Hollow rare, though, because the whole set comes in reverse. This is still considered as a hollow rare. And they're rare. Oh, yes, for ZeniX. That's really nice. Yay. So that's 2 X's. And I did open a lot of other packs, so, I'll just go through the cards that you didn't get to see that were opened. I think it's going to go with the rares. So there's a Drifblim, Frostlass, another Frostlass, an Uxie. Oh shoot, I gotta plug my thing in. Reverses was an Archon, a Drifloon, a Squirtle, Cherubi, a Sock, a Drifloon, Porygon, another Porygon, an Aeron, a Surskit, a Ducklet, Tortuga, a Leap, Surskit, Drifloon, Chatot, Root Fossil, Leap, Electric, Drifloon, Solosis, Wartortle, Kangaskhan, Drifloon, Houndour, Shelmet, Chatot, Surskit, Sock, Aeron, Electric, Ducklet, Snorunt, a Reverse Iris as well, Silvermere, Reversal Trigger, Silver Bangle, and another Reversal Trigger. So that's it for today. Hopefully I'll do something else.